Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Peggy from Onepearcourt and I am so glad that you are here. Today I will be styling my entryway, giving it a little refresh, and I'm excited to show you all. So without further ado, let's get started. Before I style any space in my home, I like to give it a good clean, and spray away glass cleaner is my go-to for my mirrors and any glass surface in my home. It gives it that beautiful streak-free shine that I love. I'll link it in the description box if you're interested. For this entryway refresh, I wanted to keep it simple yet elegant. I always go for a clean, crisp, chic look. That's the aesthetic that I usually go for. I sometimes sprinkle a little bit of glam here and there, and that's occasionally. I'm starting off with this white vase I got from Z Gallery years ago. I've had this piece for close to, I'll say, 4 or 5 years when I first started my journey as a self-taught interior decorator stylist on social media. So I've had it for quite some time. I always love to shop my home first and move things around, here and there. This vase also comes in gold as well, and I've had it for about the same time as the white one, and they both complement each other very well. This white floor vase is another decor piece that I absolutely love, and it's also from Z Gallery. One thing about me, I love to invest in pieces that are timeless and versatile. I can't tell you the number of times I've styled this vase and placed it in different parts of my home. It's always on the move. I think I'll be keeping it in my entryway for a little bit, and God knows where next it'll end up. So I wanted a mixture of white and gold flowers to go with the rest of the aesthetic that I'm creating in my entryway. So it's coming together pretty nicely, I think. And finally, I'm rounding up with this large, well, more like extra large gold leaf decorative bowl that I got from, I think, Home Goods years and years ago. And yeah, it completes the whole look. And I think I love how everything came together. This was what I had envisioned. And I think I love the look. Let me know what you think in the comment section. In fact, let me know what piece here do you absolutely love the most in the comment section. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you were inspired by the styling video. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so that you know next time that I upload a video. So thank you so much once more, and have a wonderful, blessed and productive day. All right, thank you. Cheers.